Welcome to EduLegate Step-by-Step Guide. This guide will walk you through the steps to create and access a course on EduLegate, perfect for employee training. Start by clicking on Create New. Next, click on New Course. Enter the course name. Select Draft or Active depending on the course's current state. Specify the dates for the course's duration. Choose Teacher. Provide a brief overview of the course. Add the course materials and structure. Set the number of documents. Set the course task default settings such as plagiarism checks, AI checks, readability checks, and event recording options. Save the course. To access to specific course, go to the course on the dashboard. Select the option to update. Delete. Select Option View. Here, you will find a number of sections such as tasks, lessons, reading materials, and course description. Here you can select the option to create lesson or create task. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with EduLegate.